Tired of that burning fire climbing up your chest every night? Wait till you hear this, because chamomile tea might just be the natural game changer your reflux has been waiting for. Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to learn could completely change how you deal with heartburn forever. Acid reflux is one of those conditions that silently ruins people's quality of life. That painful burning sensation rising through your throat after every meal, it's enough to make anyone desperate for relief. And somewhere in your late-night Google searches, you've probably stumbled across this question. Does chamomile tea really help with acid reflux? It sounds too simple, doesn't it? Just a warm cup of herbal tea to calm down an overactive stomach. But here's the twist. Science actually supports part of that claim. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand, because once you know why chamomile works, you'll never underestimate this humble flower again. First, a quick refresher on what acid reflux is. It happens when the valve between your stomach and your esophagus, the lower esophageal sphincter, doesn't close properly, allowing stomach acid to flow back up. The result? That nasty burning sensation known as heartburn. Over time, this constant backflow can irritate and damage the lining of your esophagus. Now here's where chamomile steps in. Chamomile, known scientifically as Matricaria chamomilla, has been used for thousands of years in ancient Egyptian, Greek, and Roman medicine as a calming, anti-inflammatory, and digestive herb. It's rich in compounds like apigenin and bisabala, which help relax the muscles, reduce inflammation, and soothe the lining of the digestive tract. When you drink chamomile tea, warm, not hot, it acts almost like a natural protective coating for your esophagus and stomach. It doesn't neutralize acid the way medications like antacids do, but it helps your body handle irritation more gently. Think of it as a peacekeeper between your stomach acid and your esophagus. But there's more to the story. One of the biggest triggers for reflux is stress. When your body is tense, it produces more stomach acid and slows down digestion, the perfect recipe for heartburn. Chamomile tea, thanks to its mild sedative properties, helps calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety, which in turn helps regulate your digestive rhythm. In other words, it helps both your mind and your gut relax, a powerful combo for reflux sufferers. There's a fascinating connection between the brain and the gut. When you're stressed, your stomach becomes more acidic. When you're relaxed, it digests better. So, chamomile tea doesn't just soothe your esophagus, it helps stop the cycle that fuels reflux in the first place. Now, before you start chugging chamomile by the gallon, let's make one thing clear. It's not a miracle cure. It's a supportive therapy, a natural helper that complements healthy habits and medical treatment when needed. Doctors and herbalists agree. Lifestyle changes are key. That means avoiding heavy meals at night, eating slowly, cutting back on caffeine, and staying upright after eating. Add a warm cup of chamomile tea after dinner or before bed, and you're giving your body a gentle, natural push in the right direction. Let's get practical. Simple chamomile tea recipe for reflux relief. 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers, or 1 tea bag, 1 cup, 250 milliliters of hot, not boiling water. Steep for 8 to 10 minutes. Then strain and sip slowly. Avoid adding lemon or sugar. Both can increase acidity. Drink it warm, not hot. High temperatures can irritate the esophagus even more, and timing matters. The best time to drink chamomile tea for reflux is about 30 minutes after your meal or before bedtime, when your digestive system is winding down. Let's talk about what science says. Studies have shown that chamomile contains anti-ulcer and anti-inflammatory compounds that help heal irritated tissues. According to research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, chamomile extract can reduce acid secretion and protect the stomach lining from erosion. That's exactly the kind of support your body needs when dealing with reflux. But chamomile's benefits go beyond just digestion. It improves sleep quality, reduces anxiety, and may even lower inflammation throughout the body. Since poor sleep and chronic stress both make reflux worse, chamomile tea acts like a double defense shield, one against stress, one against acid. Imagine this. Instead of ending your day with discomfort and medication, you end it with a soft, fragrant cup of chamomile tea, feeling your body unwind while your stomach relaxes. That's not just comfort, that's healing in motion. However, not all chamomile teas are created equal. Many supermarket versions are diluted or contain additives that reduce their potency. The best choice is organic, loose-leaf chamomile, preferably without artificial flavoring. You can even mix it with a bit of licorice root or ginger in small amounts for added digestive benefits. Still, there are some precautions. If you're allergic to ragweed, daisies, or marigolds, chamomile might trigger a reaction. And if you're pregnant or taking blood-thinning medication, check with your doctor first. Natural doesn't always mean risk-free. It means powerful in a different way. Now, let's get real. The reason people love chamomile tea is because it offers something modern medicine often overlooks: comfort. It's not just about killing symptoms, it's about restoring balance. It brings ritual.com and mindfulness back into your life. Every sip tells your body it's safe, that it can heal and rest. Some people report that within a few weeks of adding chamomile tea to their nightly routine, they noticed less burning and bloating after meals, better sleep, and less nighttime reflux. Reduce dependence on acid-blocking medications, of course. Everyone's experience is different. But the point is, chamomile helps your body do what it's naturally meant to do. Find balance. And here's a powerful reminder. Reflux doesn't just happen because of what you eat. It happens because of how you live. Fast meals, stress, poor sleep, too much caffeine, they all create the perfect storm. Chamomile tea, in its simplicity, is a way to slow down, to reconnect, to breathe. It's nature's gentle whisper telling you, you can heal, if you give yourself the chance. So, can chamomile tea help with reflux? The honest answer is yes, when used wisely. It can't rebuild a damaged esophagus on its own, but it can reduce irritation, calm inflammation, and help your body recover. It's like having a supportive friend in a cup, not a cure, but a steady ally. Final sentence, powerful closing CTA. So tonight, instead of reaching for another anticide, brew yourself a cup of calm. Let the warmth of chamomile remind you that healing doesn't always come from a pill. Sometimes, it comes from nature, one sip at a time.